All right, guys, we just got a wood chipper. Woo! We're gonna use this to clean up our brush and whatnot from around the yard, make it into mulch for the garden. I am super excited about this. Last year, we ended up buying some, never seemed to have enough. Having our very own wood chipper to clean up all of our brush, all the mulch that we need. Super excited about this. We're gonna get her taken apart. Of course, I've already banged up my finger.
I think it might be broken.
Success. We now have it in a million pieces. Gonna get everything together. We'll bring her around back and give her a try. All right, guys, we got her together. I've already tested it out. I just wanted to see what the capabilities were. For a small wood chipper, it's not bad. This tends to be the most I'll be using here. This can take up to 3 inches.
That's what she said.
This is kind of just some brush, some leaves, whatever you want to put in there. Came with a bag, so we're gonna put the bag on there. I brought my chainsaw out to kind of cut up some of these larger sticks so we can feed it in there. We'll fill up this bag and let's see how this goes. I have not tried it out yet. And this will make it nice. I can just kind of pull this around the yard, get it to where I need it, chop some stuff up.
Nice.
And bring it off to the garden over there. So let's fire her up and see what we can do.
First try.
Not bad, not great, but it works pretty good. Just that little bit. We got that all mulched up. That's just gone from an ugly pile that's been sitting there for about a year now into something usable instead of just wasting away. We've got some piles over here. I've got plenty of stuff that we could mulch up and reuse, repurpose somewhere else. Look at all that. That's all just been sitting there for a year. So, get that little sucker, and just every once in a while we come and we just chip away at these piles. We got some bigger stuff out there. I don't know how well it will process that, but then we'll just dump her out here and we're gonna have our own mulch. We didn't have to pay for it. We didn't have to have someone come out and dump it out here in the yard and then move it from the front to the back. I like to do everything by myself as much as possible. And even if that's getting just a simple little tool like that, that just gives me one extra thing that I can do by myself. While it may be more work, I'm all right with that because it's mine. I'm digging it. I think we're gonna keep working on it. It's gonna be a lot of work, but we're gonna have our own mulch from our own trees that have grown here on the property. So I think it's pretty darn neat. Here's our grapes. I planted them, I think this will be the second year. We had gotten just a little cutting from Tractor Supply and it's grown up. And I just got some of these repurposed bed ends that I just kind of drove into the ground, and it's been growing on there pretty well. We've got some apple trees. Got 2 of them. And we're actually even starting to get some, check that out. We got our one little sad blueberry bush, but look at that, just coming back. And then we've got our peach trees. These are Hail Havens, and I planted them last year. I want to say at the fall. We got it from Tractor Supply, got both of them, put them in, and we got 1 or 2 pairs, sorry, peaches. We've got a pear tree over there, but we got 2 of them. They ended up getting eaten by a deer, but I think this year we may have some more fruit, so that's very exciting. And this is kind of my plan, is to have all this area in some kind of way to have to eat it. I don't want to cut this grass. I don't want to have to do that stuff. I want to be able to walk out my backyard and kind of create it into the permaculture, if you will. Fuck cutting grass. Why not be able to eat it in whatever way that is? And I think it's a lot of fun. So we're gonna keep on working on here, and we should have some success hopefully this year. As long as we're getting a little bit better each year, that's all I care about. So we'll keep improving. And thanks for joining. And I'm gonna get back to this, and we're gonna chip some stuff up, and I'll update you.